Hey crew, today we're making pizza. Okay, so I've lit a couple of fire starters in the middle of my firebox. We're going to let this go for 10 minutes. To set up for a pizza cook, I have the grills up really high and the deflector plates on top of that to keep them away from the searing coals. Then a spacer and the pizza stone on top of that. We want the Kamado to come up to somewhere between 700 and 800 degrees F, or around, kind of 400 to 450 degrees Celsius. For the pizza dough, you definitely don't want any oil and no sugar. At the temperatures we're cooking at today, they will simply just burn and the bottom of your crust will be black. I'll put the ingredients in the description below, but it's pretty basic. 500 grams flour, 325 water, a couple of teaspoons of yeast, and a teaspoon of salt. We need to let these dough balls rest until they've doubled in size, and then repeat this process exactly as I've done here again, and reform the balls and then let them rest for half an hour before we make our pizza. We need to do that so that the dough relaxes and it's easy to press out. For the toppings on the pizza, have at it, whatever you like. I generally like a standard Neapolitan pizza, but I'm making this one with a bit of extra stuff on it. We've got a few guests over and people have orders, what I'm going to do. To stop the pizza sticking from the peel, I use some semolina flour. I find that's the best way to get it to slide off really easily onto the pizza stone. Here we go, 5 minutes later. Look at that crust. Absolutely magnificent. You cannot beat a Kamado or a pizza oven for cooking pizza like this. It is just sensational. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you really loved the video. We'll see you on the next one.